Alright, it's the one-man drywall army and I'm back. Today's video I'm going to show you guys the right way to install a commercial timely door frame. I'm back. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do, I'm going to tell you guys on timely door frames. One thing that you need to keep in mind is you want to be 3/4 of an inch bigger on each jamb and then 3/4 of an inch higher on the head. And so on a 36-inch door, you're going to be 37.5-inch wide opening. On an 8-foot door, on the height, you're going to need to be 96 3/4. Alright, so as you can see up here, I got the head of this timely door frame up on top of the opening. It's not screwed off. The reason for that is because you're going to want to make adjustments to it. So we're just going to set it up there, and once it's up there, the first thing you're going to need to set is the hinge side of your frame, okay? So the hinge side basically is just the side where the hinges are. You got to get that installed first. So you see those white clips way up there. This frame is going to need to tuck right in the side of there. Okay? Just like that. Okay, so perfect. Okay, so the way that I set these frames is that I use a laser line. You don't need a drop of plumb bob. Plumb bob works, but they take a long time. Yeah, you can see everything's nice squared off right there. That's what it's supposed to look like, okay? Now that I got everything connecting and touching, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna throw this laser line up, and we're gonna let that line hit all the way up, straight up and down. Once this laser line touches the outside of this flange, you are going to know that your frame is good, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and set that for you, and we'll go from there. Go ahead and screw it off, and then I'll show you guys what's next. So when it comes to screwing off, you got these little holes right here. Just stick a screw in it. Since we're attaching the wood framing, I'm going to use wood screws. Okay, so look, so I'm gonna go ahead and screw this bad boy in. I got the hinge heights perfect, so.
I got more screws here if you want them up there in case you drop them. You want them?
Absolutely. Okay, so just to make sure. So that's the key. When you okay, that's good. Okay, so here's the reason why. Here's the reason why when we install these frames, that you do the hinge side first. Get it all locked in, plumbed, good to go. You're gonna leave this one loose. You're gonna leave this jamb leg right here, this jamb. You're gonna give it loose, because once you get all your hinges screwed off and you swing it, that'll allow you to see how much you need to adjust for the head as well as the other side of the jamb, okay? Okay, so we're gonna start wrapping things up, because I got the hinges on, this door's ready to swing. Like I said earlier, the only part right now that is dialed in is the jamb side of this frame. everything is connected, but everything is loose, and I'll show you guys why, okay? Because, let's take a look. Okay, so it's a little bit out, and it's a good thing it's not screwed up, because I would have to basically, you know, make those adjustments. So the first thing I want to do is adjust that, and probably come back a little bit more here. Okay, so let's try this. Let's see how well this works. I gotta be careful that I do not, ooh. So it's still a little tight. So what I gotta do, a little bit more. And then, okay, so look, now it'll close. So what I wanna do is, I want to match the gap all the way around. Ideally, an 1/8 to 3/16 gap is considered good. All right, so once you get that gap all the way around this deal, you know the door's plumb. Because you know the door is square, all you got to do is just match the reveal, the gap all the way around, and everything will be set perfectly. If you do that every single time, you'll get these down to the point where you can literally throw one up in 15 minutes. Get the frame, get a door swinging, 20 minutes. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and until the next time, I will see you guys, and God bless you guys.